Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use BandLab to actually record music in your phone. So for those of you who don't know what BandLab is, it's a free app that lets you make music in your phone or computer. You can create beats, record songs, and even share them with friends. So let's dive in. I'll walk you guys through on how I made this song from start to finish so you can see the whole process in action. New to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. That way, you'll be the first to know when I upload new content like this. So the first thing we're going to do is hit the app, and when we hit the app, we go over to the library section. Here you see all your music and everything you've been working on so far. You see this plus sign over here, you're going to hit that plus sign. Then down your screen, you're going to see the open studio. You're going to hit that. Then when you hit that, it will take you to the loading page. Give it some time, let it load. Okay guys, it just finished loading and it's about to get a little bit tricky, so I need you guys to pay attention. Now is when you're gonna import the beat you want to use for the track. For my case, I've already downloaded the beats I want to use that I got from YouTube. If you don't know how to download the beats, I'm going to drop another video in my page on how to do that, so make sure you click the notification bell so you won't miss out. So to import the downloaded beats, you're going to click on this icon, import file. Once it opens, you're going to see your list files. Gonna go to audio, gonna scroll down, go to your beats. Yeah, I'm gonna choose this beat, Odomudu Black. It's a type beat I downloaded from YouTube. Let's give it some time to load. Should import, and when it's imported, you will see this plus sign icon. Gonna look around, there's a plus sign, hit that. Then you go to voice and audio. When it says opened up, first thing I like to do is go to the auto pitch. You click on the auto pitch. You want to give it some auto tune. It shouldn't be too much. Don't want to sound like the hee man. For me, 50% is enough. Now we're going to do something crucial. Look up. We're going to hit that place that there is different letters. That is where the key of the voice section is. Choose the chromatic one. You don't want the auto tune to be messing with the way you want to sing. It can be really frustrating sometimes, and most people don't know about this. Trust, you thank me later. Next one, the FX. You want to go there. There are a lot of FX to choose from, like Scotty Tone, One Plate, Punchy Rap, Bright Room, a lot of them. You can even post FX there as an artist. Remember to stick to one preset for your main voice so you won't sound different in your songs. Discovering a preset can be really hard. I'm going to make a video on that. Comments below. Moving on, for this video I'm going to be using One Plate like I said earlier. Recording can be pretty hard, especially in noisy area, so I'm going to be editing these precepts and adding some noise barrier. To do that, click on the adjust button and search for noise gates. After that, you're going to copy this adjustment I'm going to make. See it to the end. That's it. If you don't want to do that, you can get a quality headphone, mic, or an amplifier. Link in description. And now you can record your song by hitting the down red button. You can do this same process for different voice sections. Do it for different presets. Just explore. BandLab is something that you have to own the skill. You have to build yourself brick by brick. And it took years of experience to know what I know now. So do what you want to do and make things happen. That's the thing. And you should check out my other videos too. Drop a comment and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.